What's up, guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and we're back with another video. And in this video today, we're actually going to be exposing you to two more jobs that you can actually work from home and get paid anywhere from $18 to $25 per hour. These are two hot jobs that you guys can access right away. So you want to make sure you stay to the end of this video so you can get information on both jobs and you can determine if one of these jobs are for you. Now, before we actually jump right into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and click the notifications for more videos like this, and so that you are informed when I'm actually releasing these videos, so you're actually the first to get at these different jobs and apply for them. So without further ado, let's go and jump right into these two jobs. All right, guys, so the first job we're actually going to be talking about is with Amazon Flex. Now, you'll actually be a subcontractor of Amazon, not a W-2 employee. And right here you can see where you can get paid $18 to $25 per hour. And what you would actually be doing is actually being a driver for Amazon, but being more so a contract worker for Amazon versus like a W-2 employee where you're getting benefits and like a salary. So how this all works is called Amazon Flex. And essentially what you're doing with Amazon Flex is you're actually just picking up packages at a designated location and delivering these packages on a preset route. So let's go to jump a little bit further into this so I can kind of show you guys how this all works. So essentially what you do as a contract employee, you will actually have an app that you would download to your iPhone or your Android phone. And in that app, it'll actually show you on a day-to-day basis these delivery blocks. You can see it here. It says available delivery blocks in your area. So when you sign up, you actually install the app on your phone. And then when you turn on the app and say that you're available to drive, they'll give you these different delivery blocks. And from those delivery blocks, you can actually see how long it's actually going to take to deliver all the packages that you're going to deliver, as well as the estimated earnings that you're going to make for that particular block. So let me say that again. You're going to open up the app. They're going to tell you, what the delivery block is, how long it's going to take to actually make all the deliveries, and what's the estimated earnings for that particular block. So basically you accept it. You say, I'm going to go ahead and do it. Then you make all of your deliveries. You deliver all the packages and then you get paid. So Amazon Flex actually will pay you via direct deposit, and they pay twice a week. So this could really be a full-time gig for you if you wanted it to be. And all you're doing is, picking up packages from the designated location, delivering those packages, and you're not a W-2 employee. So you can work when you want, and you don't have to work when you don't want to work, which is the great thing. So you have a lot of flexibility in your schedule to do anything you need. So you do have to be 21 years of older. You got to have a valid driver's license, of course. They would like you to have a mid-size or larger vehicle to pick up the packages. And we talked about having an iPhone or an Android phone so you can actually download the app. So if you are interested in Amazon Flex, you can go over to flex.amazon.com. I'll actually leave a link in the description for you guys. And you can go ahead and sign up and get started. You do want to look here to find out if there are flex opportunities in your city. So you would just click this button here, and it actually goes through and it gives you all the states and cities that you can actually sign up with Amazon Flex, right? So there's a lot of states here, a lot of cities. So more than likely there's going to be somewhere by you, or you're probably living in a city where you're going to be able to do this job. But again, this is an easy way to make $18 to $25 an hour delivering packages on your own merit, right? So you're not going to be working for a boss or anything like that. No one's going to tell you or force you to go to work, but you're going to be able to kind of pick and choose the times that you want to work. You can actually do this on the side. You can do this on the weekends. You can do this along with another job, right? You can work as much as you want, or you can work as least as you want, and you can get paid up to $18 to $25 an hour. You'll know exactly what that amount is before you even accept the job, which is super cool. And so I think this is a really viable option for anybody that just likes to drive in their car, deliver some packages, and get paid to do that. So this is Amazon Flex. Again, I'll leave a link in the description. You guys can check it out. And let's move on to the second job. All right, the second job is actually an employer called VIP Desk. VIP Desk. And with VIP Desk, they are actually hiring remote at home Chanel customer care advisory representative. So you guys, if you know about the brand Chanel, they make perfumes, they make purses, some cosmetics. I even think they actually do fashion. So Chanel is kind of like an expensive, high-end brand that everybody knows about, and they're actually hiring through VIP Desk. They need some customer care advisory representatives. So essentially what you're going to be doing is you're going to be providing elevated customer service for Chanel's customers via communication channels by phone, email, and chat. So the remote Chanel customer care advisory assists customers with different aspects of customer service across fashion, boutiques, watches, fine jewelry, and e-commerce. And they're saying here that the Chanel CC advisory assists customers in a courteous and professional manner that supports Chanel's brand towards providing world-class customer service. It's also saying that this position provides an opportunity for growth through the acquisition and additional skills within the program. The Chanel customer care advisory begins by obtaining training for fashion and builds upon this through email and chat. Each skill requires formal certifications provided by VIP Desk Connect through a specialized online training and certification process. So VIP Desk Connect is basically going to train you and give you all your certifications, so you don't really have to have any prior experience to do this job. And then your responsibilities are essentially customer service duties. You're going to just be helping folks through email, phone, and chat, right? So you want to be courteous, you want to be professional. They want you to have great customer service. They want you to have the ability to understand the products and probably doing some upselling and just troubleshoot and help customers out, being able to communicate and exhibit empathy when they're upset about an order or anything like that. So again, just applying high quality customer service with this particular position. So skill level progression. So again, they would like you to be able to use a phone, know about fashion, boutiques, watches, fine jewelry, be able to email, and of course be able to type a little bit because you're going to be also answering questions via chat. You can see here requirements are a high school diploma, so no advanced degree. They want you to have some sort of customer service experience, superior verbal and written communication skills, excellent listening skills, being patient and empathy, positive attitude, flexible hours are available. So being courteous and confident and driving solutions for customers is essentially what they want you to do. Here are a couple preferred qualifications: experience with e-commerce retail, experience with luxury brands, genuine passion for fashion, fragrance, cosmetics, and luxury brands, experience providing live chat customer support. So these are just preferred, but again, they will actually train you. And I do want to point out here, the job actually currently resides for anybody that are in these states here. So we're looking at Arizona, Colorado, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Maryland, Nevada, New Mexico, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Virginia, and Wisconsin. So this is another work from home job. You actually be a customer service agent doing phone support, email support, and chat support for the big brand Chanel. Training is provided, and you can see down here, guys, the compensation ranges from $18 to $22 per hour, right? They also do give you some benefits, comprehensive benefits here, which include health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, and access to other benefit programs. So they probably have some additional benefit programs that you can get. So $18 to $22 with health benefits, guys, all from the comfort of your home, giving customer service support for the big brand Chanel. So I see these people here, they look very happy. Maybe they are customer care support folks themselves, but they look like they're having a really good time. So it looks like it has a good company culture. And again, this is a at work from home, remote job, lots of positions here. So make sure you guys come over to this actual job description too. I actually leave it in the link in the description below, and you guys can check this out as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if either of these two jobs look like something that would be of interest to you, let us know in the comment section because we'd like to know your thoughts on it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.